Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore deleted photos in Google Photos step by step. If you accidentally deleted a photo, don't worry. In many cases, you can recover it from the trash in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account. Once the Google Photos home page opens, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click Trash. If you don't see the menu, click the menu icon first. Inside the trash, you'll find photos and videos that were recently deleted. Now select the photo you want to restore. You can click one photo or select multiple photos if needed. After selecting the photos, click the Restore button. Google Photos will ask for confirmation. Click Restore again to continue. That's it. Your photos will be restored to their original location in Google Photos and will appear again in your library and albums. To make sure the restore worked, go back to Photos and look for the recovered image. Remember, items in trash are kept for a limited time. If a photo has been permanently deleted from trash, it usually cannot be restored through Google Photos. For extra safety, it's a good idea to keep backup turned on so your photos are automatically saved to your Google account. And that's how you can quickly restore deleted photos in Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.